right, good morning, you guys. Happy Saturday. Cheers to making through it another week. Hopefully, you guys are doing well. I just wanted to check in with you guys and say hi, since I know I haven't made a video in a little while. I'm really trying to surround myself in doing things that bring me joy right now. So it's a great way to deal with anxiety and stress and worry. And not leaving the house. I personally have not left the house with the kids in 4 weeks. So it's been a minute. I never thought I would miss going grocery shopping, but I do. So Matt is our designated person to leave the house, just because he is still working. He is part of being the essential workers. So he's majority of his work he's doing at home, but he does from time to time have to go into the office. So when he is out, he'll go and pick up groceries or whatever. If I need anything, we are pretty much set here though. So we haven't needed too much. I'm filming this on my phone, by the way, so if it shows up a little funny, that's why. But I wanted to do a quick, hopefully one take wonder where I don't have to edit it and I can just directly upload this and check in on you guys and see how you're doing. I know many of you wanted a little seedling update. I can't spin the camera around. I don't know how to do it. So I did shut off my grow lights though, just to show you guys. I'm just gonna spin my camera around. But look, I've got, hopefully you guys can see that. I've got tomatoes popping up. I also have caraway is popping up. Flowers, we've got flowers down here starting to pop up. So, really exciting, you guys. So let me turn back on my grow lights here. It is going to be a gloomy, gray, rainy day here in northern lower Michigan. So for those of you who don't follow me over on Instagram or Facebook, you might not know, sorry, I'm a little wheezy from my asthma. You may not know, but I'm getting chickens this year. Something I've been wanting to do, and honestly, we were in 2 minds to hold off this year and get them next summer because we had a lot of travel plans this summer. And I didn't want to get chickens and not be home or like leaving all the time to go, to travel. But with everything going on in the world, our travel plans are no more. So we decided to go ahead and do chickens this year. Get chickens. I'm so excited to get little feathered babies here. They're going to be hatched April 20th. So I should get them sometime after that. I'm getting them from McMurray Hatchery. I've got Americanas coming, Brahmas, and Cochins. And I'm so excited. All of them hardy birds. All of them should do well in the summer, but do well in the cold, which, where I live, it's pretty cold. So those are coming. I'm prepping for them now, where we are converting our shed over to a chicken coop. And we're building them a 20 or 30 foot run. We're not sure how far we can take it. If we can take it the 30 feet, we will. If not, they'll have a 20-foot run, and they're also going to be free ranged. So I'm super excited. And if you guys want to see any updates on that, let me know. And I will show you, I don't know, the chicks when they come, or the coop if you're interested in that, or some of the supplies I'm getting. I'm not sure. There are channels that do this and do this well and are very informed. I have been reading up on chickens for months and watching so many videos on people, who actually breed chickens, and learning as much as I can. Then I asked you guys for some book recommendations a few weeks ago, and I got some new books where I could just sit and read. So that's a big change coming to our home. I'm so excited. So let me know if you wanted to see any updates on that. As soon as I can start getting in the garden, you guys, I will make you some garden update videos. I do have garlic coming up which is so exciting. It's the first time I ever planted garlic, and it's coming up and it's doing really well. So I will bring you along when I dig those up. But that's about it, guys. I just wanted to say hello, good morning. I wanted to check in on you and see how you guys are doing. And I hope you guys are hanging in there. So I will be seeing you guys soon. So, all right, guys.